Welcome back to the 10th series. This is chapter 4. Today, we learn the present perfect tense. Arjun just came home from school. He walks in and his mother asks, "Have you eaten your lunch?" Arjun says,
Yes,
I have eaten my lunch. He ate it before, but it still matters now.
That's wonderful, dear.
His mother is happy. He ate lunch in the afternoon. He's talking about it in the evening. The past action still connects to the present. When a past action is still connected to the present, still relevant, still important right now, we use the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used for three things: past actions connected to now, life experiences, and things just completed. The formula is subject, then has or have, then the past participle. Have for I, we, you, they, has for he, she, it. The past participle is the third form of a verb. Eat, ate, eaten. Go, went, gone. Always use the third form in present perfect. I have finished my homework. Have finished tells us it was just completed, and it matters now. It is done. She has visited Paris. Has visited tells us this happened in her life. We don't know exactly when, but she experienced it. He has not seen that movie. For negatives, add not after has or have. Has not seen. He missed it. Have you ever eaten sushi? For questions, put have or has at the start. Have you ever? Asking about a life experience. Quick quiz. Fill in the blank. She, blank, already left the house. Is it have, has, or had? Think carefully. The answer is B, has. She is he, she, it, so we always use has. She has already left. Well done. Quick comparison. I ate lunch at 1 p.m., simple past, specific time, fully done. I have eaten lunch, present perfect, no specific time, still relevant now. Let's recap the present perfect tense. Past action connected to now, has or have plus the past participle, always V3. Next in this series, present perfect continuous tense. It tells us how long something has been happening. It is a powerful tense. Don't miss it. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe so you never miss a chapter. Comment your quiz answer below. I will check it.